The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello snappy children, welcome back to our class. So I think you all have celebrated your autumn well, is it? Okay. All are happy? Good. So last class we have discussed about the Python program, that is graphical programs, how we can display some geometrical pattern using Python program, is it? And we have applied the color in that particular geometrical pattern, is it? So next we are going to see how we can apply different colors in a particular pattern. Each shape, how we can apply the colors. Okay, and using the different shapes, how we can do the geometrical pattern. So let's start our practical session. Yes. So students, let's start our activity. Go to application, programming and idle. Okay, so we can see how we can apply the different colors in a pattern. Okay, for that go to a new file, go to file and new file, is it? In this window only you have to use the comments. Okay, so during exam they will give you a question, you have to type in this window. Okay, so we can type the coding. For including the turtle graphics you have to use from turtle import, is it? From turtle import. Okay, and for the pen size you can give 5, so giving a size of that particular graphics, is it? And next we can use, we have to give the different colors. So for that we have to use a variable here CLR and use a square bracket for that and include the different colors. Okay, here blue, the next one is brown. It will be displaying in a particular order. Okay, first it will be blue and next one is brown and next is red. Whatever the colors you can give, you can apply. Okay, so it will be displaying in such order. Next is green, pink and another one is yellow. Okay, so close with the square bracket and give the comment for I in color. It want to apply, is it, in a different time. So we are giving here for I in color, and each time it will want to repeat, is it? So it will turn 60 degree. The turtle will be turning into 60 degree. And next is you have to give the color. So we are giving the option as I is using the different color, is it? And next we are going to draw the shape. For that you have to use for I in range, and we are going to draw a square. So for 4 times we are going to draw 4, that's why we are using 4. Okay, so here J is the outer loop and I is the, here J is the inner loop and I is the outer loop. Okay, and here just give the option forward 100. Here next, and its angle is RT 90. Okay, you are going to draw a square shape pattern, is it? And go to file and save the file with the particular name with .py. Okay, and save the option. Okay, and just go to run and run module. So you can see the patterns with a different outline, is it? With a colorful, is it colorful pattern you display using such commands. Okay, so we'll see, we can just give a border color and a fill color. Okay, so we don't need the different colors. Okay, so for that I am going to change the commands in this program itself. Okay, so here I am going to erase the color options, and here we are going to give for I in color we have to change, and we have to give the command how many times it want to display. Okay, for I in range, so just give the option 6 times it want to display. Okay, and it will be displaying and 6 times it will draw the content, is it? And here you can give the options color, 2 colors you can give. The first color should be the outer line and second should be the fill color. Okay, please note it that. Okay, and here you have to give the angle right 60, then only it will be displays. And next you have to use the command as begin fill to fill the particular content or the color for that shapes, is it? And the last command should be end fill. Okay, that is you have to end while after drawing each shape, so that we have given the command end fill. Okay, so just save the option. And go to run module. Okay, just go to run module and you can see the different, you can see the colors with a border and that is fill color, is it? Okay students, so like that you can apply the color, that is color, that is the first color should be the border color and second color it is fill color. So next we are going to just take a new file or else, so I am using the same file here itself. Okay, so clear, that is color, that is a variable, same as we have to give a different colors here, 6 colors we are going to apply here. Okay, and you can give the colors pink and next is red, and another one is blue, and another one is yellow. Okay, the first loop should be used to apply the colors. So here we are going to change into range 6, mean changing CLR, that is for applying the different colors. And here we are going to apply the different field color, means you have to give I in the field color option. Okay, so let's see how the colors will be applied. Go to run and run module. Okay, so here we have already given the file name, so that's why I have just selected save. Okay, you have to save, means you can give in a new file. Okay, so you can see the different colors which is applying in pattern. So clear? Okay, so here the option that part is very important. First section it is the border color and second line is fill color. I am just changing the border color here, giving yellow, and here also I have to change, so just with the green. Okay, just save the option and run the command. Okay, so you can see how the border color is changed. Okay students, fine. So you can use these commands to apply the different colors in the different patterns using this idle 3. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, so just we'll see how to apply these content in a circle. So here I am going to use a circle. Okay, for that use circle. We have to draw the different size of circles, means you have to give in the coding circle 60, circle 70, and like this we have to use till 100. Okay, we are going to draw 4 circles here. Okay, and here you can give the angle size. For each circle we have to give 45. Okay, that is the angle to rotate the circles, and just save the option. Let's see how it is displayed. Okay, run the option. Here you can see the 4 circle. Okay, it will be displayed with 60, 70, 80, and we have given I for the fill color, is it? So here it will fills. Okay, outline as yellow, and for fill color we have given the different colors. So like this, during exam they will give you a particular coding for your exams. Okay, you have to type in a new file, and after that you have to save and run. Okay, and like this you have to show 2 output for a question. So if you have typed it in correct format, means it will be very easy question, otherwise it will be confusing one. Okay, so just go through this in your textbook you can see the different patterns. Just go through and just write its coding and send to me. Okay, we'll see you in the next class. So I think you have understood the content. Okay, just go through and write it in your notebook. We'll see you in the next class. Okay, students. So students, I think you have understood the content, is it? So go through thoroughly, okay, and make note of it. Okay, we'll see you in the next class.